Well, the big fella had a relapse, and we happened to have purchased the float about 3 days before we took him to the Bendigo Equine Hospital for his second visit, and then brought him home. Then rebandaged his leg the other day, and we'll rebandage it again tomorrow. So here's a bit of a video on the float and floating Dutch and fixing his foot, hopefully. So, hope you enjoy it. Catch you at the end. All the best. Bye. Well, I've been a bit slack doing videos recently, so I should have started this one earlier so you should have seen it right from the start. But this pole laying on the ground here, I have cut off here, and it was on the end of there where the earth clamp is, and it went all the way from the floor in here up to the top and used to lock in there, and it was a bugger of a thing to get to put out of the way. I only bought this float last week. Two days after that, had to rush Big Dutchy off to the veterinary hospital in Bendigo again. In there. And the floor on the back of it, basically that was its last trip because it started to fall to bits completely. I don't think I'm going to be able to get the rubber off because it's glued fairly substantially, as you can see there. And I don't think I can get it off. I might be able to scrape it off. So that's going to cost me another 100, 200 bucks for that, I guess. This is marine ply I've put down here. And if I can get that rubber off, I'll glue it down to it again. That's 18 mil, 200 bucks a sheet. The first sheet I got, I cut an inch off the wrong spot, which didn't allow the float to seal onto here. So now I've cut that off, which was adjustable. I'm welding this on here to make it a solid. I'll have to cut a bit off the base down here, put a pin that drops right through so I can pick it up and shift it sideways. But I'll get on with it and hopefully show you when I'm putting it back together. All the best. Well, fit. I'm going to have to cut a bit off though. Right, so what did we finish up with? Haven't put the padding back in the middle yet, but that'll be next. We've got everything up in the middle. Got This door here, shut down. That's shut. It's not going nowhere. Bit of rubber down temporary till I get a new piece. Should be enough to load Dutchy once at least, for a couple of horses. Back inside. And ready to put the padding back in. Oh, down here, what did I do? It's not going anywhere down here. Down. And that's not going anywhere. Well, as it turns out, I just got this temporarily finished on time. Gotta go and pick Dutchy up tomorrow. This is Sarah. In my world, she's the greatest vet in the world, and she's probably equine vet, and probably still is for everything. Thank you very much.
You're very welcome.
Okay.
Okay. Very good.
I've got something for you. It's called licorice. It says just to stop the swelling.
Yeah.
So how's that looking?
That's on the side there, Richard. So, see?
Yeah, you gonna put anything on it?
Yeah.
Does it tell you what to dress it with or anything?
Just normal dressing.
Steady now.
Bit low, bring it up a bit. That's it.
Alright. Just about big enough to get under. Steady, mister.
Wherever. That's how that's got to stay, and then I'll do his.
Steady, old fella.
You got a couple of licorices because I didn't bring any around.
Yeah.
There's some on the bench there.
Hang on.
Yeah, old Smarjo's back with the herd he hasn't seen for 12 months. Say hello, Walt. Let's see, check your little buggers here. You'll hang yourself, mister. Spirit and Marsbar. You want some tucker?